guys, and today I'm bringing you a brand new video. It's not a real video, it's my skating skills. It's just my skating skills, not skating skills. Oh yeah, skating skill. Oh, 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 oh. Skating skills. Oh, oh, look, it's my best man. Oh, 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 oh. Skating skills. Okay, now I'm just kidding. You get in the next video. Now, hopefully you enjoy my video. Subscribe for more bullshit. So yeah, you look there, right? My PS3, I have one. So my next video is going to be real skating on Skate 3. So subscribe please, and you're going to see my Skate 3 skills. See you later guys.